Hello teacher and classmates. Today we're going to prepare a kind of pudding, or in Spanish, mazamorra. So, the members of the group are me, Maria Fernanda, she, Tania, and Angela. So, first of all, we're going to talk a little bit of starch, that is the main ingredient here. As we all know, it is an ingredient broadly used in food preparation. The main characteristic of this carbohydrate is that it has a thickening agent and a capacity of gel forming. So the materials that we need are cornstarch, potato starch, a juice of 1 lime, that here is in 2 pieces, cinnamon, and clove, of course. We also need sugar, water, pots or bowls, a cup, and a spoon. Okay, the first step for this recipe is adding 2 cups of water here in the pot on heat, of course. So we're going to add 2 cups. The first one, 2. Then the cinnamon sticks. 1, 2. If you want to add more flavor. Then the cloves. And the lemon juice.
Meanwhile, Angela is doing the first procedure. We dilute 4 spoons of cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, and 4 in water. Just the amount enough to make a dilution. A little more. More. So now we can see the dilution.
As we can see, the water is already boiling, so Tanya is going to add the cornstarch with water
Diluted.
That's right.
So we add it and we wait until it boils, like in 3 or 5 minutes.
That's right.
After mixing very well, we add some sugar to make it taste good. A little sugar and we mix.
When we have already put the sugar into the mix, we have mixed it very well, as you can see, right? And we have to let it cool.
As we can see here, now it has formed like a gel.
And it's already thicker. That's how the starch works on food. So finally we did the same procedure but with the potato starch, and then we will see how it finished.
We end with the preparation of the potato starch. And we can see the nature of the gel form that is more transparent than the other one and flexible.
Here finally we have both preparations. Here is the potato starch mix and here is the cornstarch, right? And as we can see there are like not big difference because both are like really thick mixers. And here, for example, in the potato starch is more liquid and it's more translucent, and here in the cornstarch is more thicker, much more thicker, and it's not that translucent.
Now we put both samples in the freezer.
No me han cambiado la chapa. Vaya por allá a la puertita, ¿no? Ya. Lo han cambiado el tinto, la chapa solo
¡Yummy!
Y ponemos spoiler.
Caramba.
Y ponemos spoiler.
Ya. 3, 2, 1. Ya. Tama. 3, 2, 1. Ya.
Hello teacher and classmates. Today we're going to prepare a kind of pudding, but well, in Spanish it is mazamorra. So the members of the group are me, Maria Fernanda, Tania, and Ana. So first of all, we're going to talk about a little bit of starch. As we know, it is a ingredient that is broadly used in food preparation. So the main characteristic of this carbohydrate is that it has a thickening agent and has a just bonding capacity. So the materials that we need to prepare this dessert are cornstarch, potato starch, a juice of a lime, here is in 2 pieces, it's a lime, and cinnamon, and clove. Also we need sugar, cornstarch, potato starch, a juice of lime. Es mi culpa, sorry. Creo que ¿segura?
O sea, los
Sí,
ingredients, porque ya hemos cortado.
sí, no. Ya, ingredients. Sí, porque el producto salió mejor. Sí, ya. Ya, ahorita ya.
Con 3,
Meanwhile, Angela.
1.
So, finally we did the same procedure with this one that is... No.